Come and make this Easter craft with me. This is a 2-part craft video. I'll be showing you how to create the inside of the egg and the stand. These are the items you will need for the project. A decorative plant, clay, brown paint, Mod Podge, glue gun, a craft knife, artificial grass mat, a large egg that you can open, small coloured eggs, an artificial tree, 2 rabbit figurines, artificial turf usually used for dioramas, a small artificial flower, some scissors and a pencil. So let's begin. We're going to start by creating the stand. Measure how much clay you need and cut the remaining part off. Now firmly press your egg into the centre of the clay. Now we have the circumference of the egg outlined, we're going to start cutting that out. You only need to cut it out enough just to make the egg stay positioned. Smooth the area and clean the edges. Now we're going to start shaping and straightening the stand. Add water to your clay to smooth the mould into shape. Make sure to smooth out all cracks out of the surface. This is how your piece should be looking now. Now we're going to leave the stand to dry and work on the inside of the egg. Outline the lower part of your egg on some cardboard. Now cut your circle out. Check that the piece fits okay. Now we're going to glue that into place. Now we're going to outline the lower part of the egg again, but on your artificial grass mat, and cut that out. Stick that down onto the cardboard inside the egg. And this is how your egg should be looking at the moment. Now create a hole in the centre of your grass mat with a craft knife. This will help your tree stay into place. I've just gone ahead and cut my tree into the appropriate size. Now we're going to add glue and stick it into the hole. Position your rabbit where you'd like it and stick it down with glue. Now do the same for your little artificial flower. I'm just taking my other little rabbit and sticking it down next to its friend. So now we have one part of this craft completed. I think it's come out so good. Now we just have the stand left to make. So now we're moving on to the second part of this craft video. We're going to complete the stand for the egg. Begin by painting your stand brown. You can wait for your stand to dry, but if you're impatient like me, you can start and apply the glue straight away. Apply Mod Podge or PVA to the surface. Now sprinkle your artificial turf onto the glue. I was going to leave the centre bare as it will be covered by the egg anyway, but I decided to just do the whole lot. Now do the same for all the other sides of your stand. And this is how yours should be looking now. Pop your egg into place so you can know how much space you have for your decorations. I'm applying hot glue to the chicks and sticking them into the positions I'd like. And I'm just doing the same for this artificial decorative plant. Now I'm making a hole into the clay with scissors to help the artificial grass stay into place. And for the final touch, I'm adding a little pink egg next to the grass. And voila, we've finished. So this is a stand on its own. And here we have the completed project with the egg closed. Now we have the egg open in half. As you can see, you can display your piece in different ways. I've added the other half of the egg onto the back of the stand here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!